Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question of geometry. It's very simple. Let's see how to solve this. So in this question, we are given the square. This is a square. Okay. So in this square, there are two triangles which are intersecting at this point. Okay. They are intersecting at this point, and the base length is 1 centimeter. Correct. And we need to find the gray area. We need to find this gray area. So let's see how we can find this gray area. If you look at this figure, you will find that these two triangles are equal to each other. Yes, these two triangles are exactly equal to each other. According to symmetry, this point should be the midpoint of this side length of the square. What is the side length of the square? The side length is 8 centimeter. That means this will be 4 centimeter, and this will also be 4 centimeter. Correct. That means the height of these two triangles is 4 centimeter each. Now we will be finding the area of triangle using this formula. Area of triangle is half times base times height. Yes. So in both the triangles, what is the base? The base is 1 centimeter each. Yes. What is the height? Height is 4 centimeter each for both the triangles. Now, if we simplify this further, we will get 2 times 2 is 4. We will get 2 centimeter square. Correct? But please understand, this is the area of one of the triangles, not both the triangles. This is area of one triangle, but we have two triangles. So what we will do, we will multiply this with 2 because we have two such triangles. That means our area will be 4 centimeter square. Okay. So the gray area will be 4 centimeter square. This will be our final answer. Now, what if you are not able to judge that this is the midpoint? Then also you can solve this. Then also you can easily solve this. How? Let's see. So the another way to solve this question is we can assume the height of this triangle as x centimeter, and we can assume the height of this triangle as y centimeter. Okay. So x centimeter and y centimeter. We will be using that same old formula of area of triangle. Okay. So let's look at the upper triangle. What will be the area of upper triangle? Half times base is 1 centimeter. What is height? Height is x centimeter. Correct. Similarly, we can find the area of the bottom triangle. That will be half times base. Base is 1 centimeter times height. Height is y centimeter. Correct. So this is the area of bottom triangle. This is the area of top triangle. So what will be the gray area? Gray area will be sum total of both of them. It will be total of these two areas. That means half times 1 times x plus half times 1 times y. Correct? Now we can take half common from both of them. We can also take 1 common from both of them. Yes or no? We will be left with half times 1 times x plus y. Correct? Now please see, half times 1 is half. What is x plus y? What is x plus y? If you look carefully at the figure, x plus y is nothing but 8 centimeters. Correct? This is 8 centimeters, sum of x and y. So this will be half times 1 is half. What is x plus y? X plus y is 8. So this will give us 2 times 4. That means our final answer will be 4 centimeter square. Yes, this will be our final answer. So there are two ways to solve this question. If you think the first method was easier for you, you can go for that. If you think this is easier for you, you can go for this method. But make sure you check both the methods. Okay. Do not miss any one of them. You can watch both the methods. I hope you enjoyed the solution. If yes, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you.